Okay guys, a quick recap about what we talked about in this chapter, not only yesterday's lesson. So we talked about inheritance and how inheritance works between parent and child, which is a superclass and subclass. Then we talked about how the constructor of the superclass will run automatically if we did not call it inside the subclass, and how the subclass can deal with the superclass methods and constructor and variables. Okay, using the word, if you can see it on my screen, the word is doing a different job than the other one. You know, how can we create, in this case, create an object inside the main? Imagine
class A, parent, class B inside.
Perfect. Okay. So how to declare an object of this scenario?
تسوي object حق class A داخل class B.
Try to answer. You have 3 minutes. Specify where is the superclass, the subclass, then the main. After that, you have to see where are the constructors. Yani, when we declare employee ENT equal new employee, this employee, we have to find its constructor. It's very important to find the constructor. And now you can post your answers on the chat. Okay? Okay. We have answers from Omar, Mahmoud, and Khalid. So far, so good. Okay. One more question on class point. Now we have 6 of you on class point. So what I need from you is to give me the answer for this question. For the rest, try to join the class point, please. Okay, we will start now. It's just a minute. You have to give me the given the following class definition, which of the following would not, be careful, I'm talking about would not combine if it was used to place the code. So which one, A, B, C, D, if we put it here inside the missing code, instead of the missing code? Think about it. I'll give you more time for this question. This is a super easy question. Just you need to put one by one. Put A here, run the code. It works fine. If it didn't work, that's the answer. We have a classic worksheet. It's a very important worksheet. Step by step, it will guide you through the inheritance, or the main concepts we covered in the inheritance chapter. Okay, so I need you all to go to ClassKick. By the way, your quiz today will be on ClassKick as well. So I can export it and give it to you to post it in your folder. So I will keep the feature of helping. If you want any help or you complete, you can raise your hand. Okay, so just use this code to access, like Abdulaziz, if you can see the screen. Raise your hand in green. There's 2 ways to raise your hands. One green, one yellow. That means you want help. The green, that means you finished. Perfect. Now, Abdul Mahmoud. Very nice. Let's see your solutions. Let's take one of the optimal solutions. Let's take Abdulaziz's solution. Okay. So, an Abdulaziz's solution. Now you will know that your solution is correct or not. So the question says that complete the existing code and implement the dog class code so it will extend the pet. So the pet is the superclass and the dog is the subclass. Okay? Join the next lesson.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Yeah, thank you.
Take it out.